March 28, 2024, isang kababayan natin na tubong Magdalena Sorsogon ang muling nagpasiklab sa bansang Thailand. Ito ay ang tinaguriang determinator ng Sorsogon na si Ador Torres na kasalukuyang lumalaban sa welterweight division. Nang talunan nito ang mayabang na Thai fighter na si Wanvichit Sirifana via 4th round stoppage. Subalit, hindi naging madali ang laban para sa ating pambato na si Ador Torres sapagkat hindi basta-bastang fighter si Wanvichit. Bagamat mayroon itong kartada na 5 win at 7 losses ay may kabigatan naman ang kamao nito at siguradong may tulog din ang tatamaan nito. Narito at panoorin natin ang naging diskarte ng The Terminator kung papaano nito dahang-dahang binalatan ng buhay ang mayabang at aroganteng Thai fighter.
Taking Thailand. That is the bell for round number 1. The red corner, Mr. Ador Torres, with also the black trunks with the white trim. Ador attempts a nice right hand with a left, and Wanvichit throws a left hand of his own, and he fires a body shot as well.
Sa pag-uumpisa ng laban ay nagpakita kagad ng yabang ang Thai fighter na si Wanvichit. Ito ay nang kindat-kindatan nito ang ating pambato matapos nitong matamaan si Torres ng left overhand at body shot. Tila ba gustong sabihin ng Thai fighter na si Wanvichit na ano, kaya mo pa? Patikim pa lang yan. Gayunpaman ay naging mahinahon lang ang ating pambato at hindi nagpadala sa yabang ng Thai fighter.
Wanvichit definitely has the audience are going wild even when it doesn't land. They're not trying to show too much of their hand early on. Wanvichit throws a big looping right hand. Torres staying very calm, holds the center of the ring. Wanvichit throws a 7-jab combination. He did not react as he throws a body shot of his own and eats a right hand from Wanvichit. Before he sets up that big left hand as we saw there, and a nice right hand on the side of the head, and a nice combination landed by Ador Torres, and he allows his opponent to get a reset, and a right hand downstairs by Wanvichit, which almost stumbles Ador Torres, and Ador needs to be very careful and give some respect to Wanvichit because Wanvichit is digging deep and trying to set his opponent up for a big right hand downstairs. Ador Torres with his back against the ropes looks very calm in there as he flicks out the jab. Chit's attack because Ador Torres definitely has the range and the footwork, but Wanvichit is just looking for that charging action, trying to blitz his opponent. A nice first round by both of these fighters. Nice first.
Sa pagtatapos ng round 1 ay muntik pang magkainitan ng dalawang fighter nang banggain ni Wanvichit si Torres habang ito ay papunta sa kanyang corner. Tila ba nagiging personal na ang bakbakan ng dalawa? Subalit nagpatuloy lamang na kalmado si Torres.
As they bump shoulders.
Sa pagpasok ng round 2 ay sinubukang makipagsabayan ni Torres sa laro at estilo ni Wanvichit.
Wanvichit in the blue. Ador Torres takes the...
Ito ay ang makipagsabayan ng lakas sa lakas kay Wanvichit.
Wanvichit throwing haymaker after haymaker, and Ador Torres has had enough. Right hand upstairs by Wanvichit, and right.
Subalit naging delikado ang kalagayan ni Torres sa ganitong pamamaraan sapagkat may kalakasan ng mga wasiwas ni Wanvichit at siguradong matutulog si Torres kapag natamaan ito.
Ador Torres has no reason to take these shots on the gloves. He's smooth, dragging the guard down of Wanvichit to throw a left hand upstairs. And Ador Torres,
dahil dyan ay nakuha ni Wanvichit ang round 2.
Not getting involved in the antics of Wanvichit. Wanvichit wants to make this a slugfest, and Ador Torres this a boxing match. Remember, when you're a southpaw against an orthodox, you're trying to fight for the lead leg of your opponent. You're trying to get your lead leg on the outside of theirs because it allows you to throw a power leg. And a nice double jab landed by Ador Torres. Wanvichit very dangerous inside the pocket, and Ador Torres definitely not afraid to fight fire with fire.
โอ้โหหมัดมาครับ
Ador Torres, rather than waiting for an opening, create your opening. He's weak. Ador Torres pushes his opponent off. Finn in that right hand upstairs.
Sa laban na ito, hangad ng ating pambato na makuha ang tagumpay at madepensahan ang kanyang ABF welterweight title. Kaya naman sa pagsapit ng round 3 ay nag-isip ito ng ibang diskarte kung paano mababaliktad ang laban.
Bell for round number 3. And a nice double jab followed up by a left hand. Ador now with a better combination. Boxing will win this fight for Ador Torres. He just needs to stick to a hand. Single jab backhand. Misses. And a right hand downstairs by Juan Pachit to actually be winning this fight. Torres. Ador Torres throws a left hand up.
Sa kalagitnaan ng round 3 ay dahan-dahan ang nakukuha ni Torres ang laban. Ito ay sa pamamagitan ng pagbibitaw ng paisa-isang jab lamang sa ulo ni Juan Pachit.
Of Juan Pachit. And exactly what Ador Torres needs to do.
น่ากลัวครับวันพิชิตที่เหวี่ยงมาเนี่ยเรา
Ador Torres
จะหลบได้
throwing that jab out a lot more confidently now. Exactly what he needs to do. Find the range.
Naging epektibo ito sapagkat sa tuwing pinipiso-piso nito ng jab si Juan Pachit ay nalalaman din ni Torres kung ito ay magbabato na ng malalakas na suntok. Dahil dyan, naiilagan ito ni Torres at tumatama lamang sa hangin ang mga suntok ni Juan Pachit.
The pocket. Juan Pachit now got his opponent on the ropes. He holds the head of Ador Torres.
Subalit, marami pang lakas ang natitira kay Juan Pachit. Kaya naman, patuloy lamang ito sa pagbabato ng mga hammer punches.
Juan Pachit in his tracks. And Ador Torres has been accurate with this piston of a jab, constantly flicking it out, exactly what he needs to do. 10 seconds of round number 3. Ador Torres boxing beautifully, jabbing perfectly as he swings for the fence.
Sa pagtatapos ng round 3 ay tila ba naging matagumpay ang plano ni Torres. At ito ay ang hikayatin si Juan Pachit na magbato ng malalakas na hammer punches upang mapagod ito. At mapapansin na hingal ito. Tila ba tumakbo ng 100 kilometro si Juan Pachit dahil sa sobrang pagod at hingal nito. Sa pagpasok ng round 4 ay pinagpatuloy lamang ni Torres ang diskarte nito, habang si Juan Pachit naman ay kita na halos hindi pa nakakabawi sa pagod at hingal at tila ba laruan na dahan-dahang nawawala ng baterya.
Ador Torres again dancing around with that nice jab, flicking out combinations. Juan Pachit needs to be kept.
Sa pagpapatuloy ng laban ay patuloy lamang na kumakain ng mga jab mula kay Torres si Juan Pachit.
เข้าใส่นะครับปัดซ้ายไปครับวันพิชิต
Ador Torres with a nice combination.
Kaya naman, nakaantabay na dito ang referee kung ano ang kahihinatnan ng laban.
Pachit now needs to come alive and a beautiful right hand downstairs.
ไม่โดนต่อยลง
Very similar to Rocky Balboa against Apollo Creed. But Juan Pachit
Tila ba zombie sa ibabaw ng lona ang galaw ni Juan Pachit at wala na ito sa kanyang sarili. Ito ay dahil sa pagod at sakit ng pay sa isang kamao na binabato sa kanya ni Torres. Hanggang maya-maya pa,
right now just constantly throwing combinations.
เหวี่ยงหมัดซ้ายเข้าไป
Ador needs to just be active and keep those straight punches coming. Even if Ador is hitting the guard of Juan Pachit, it's gonna look good on the judges' scorecards. His accuracy and his activity has been very nice in these later rounds.
อัปเปอร์คัตขวาอาศัยจังหวะนะครับอดอร์ทอเรสครับวนซ้ายทีขวาที
Juan Pachit leaning on his opponent. And I'm not sure this is enough because Ador Torres does a very good job of staying calm under pressure. And as we can see, he's landing combinations. The referee looking for a reason to now step in, I believe, because Juan Pachit, although dangerous, isn't doing anything to defend himself against these shots. Do not give the referee a reason. And
ay tuluyan nang nagdesisyon ng referee na itigil na ang laban. Nang mapansin nito na tila ba wala na talaga sa sarili ang Thai fighter na si Juan Pachit.
like I said, You should not give the ref a reason to stop the fight. Ador Torres, beautiful, beautiful combinations.
At dito nga ay tinanghal na panalo si Ador Torres via 4th round technical knockout at matagumpay nitong nadepensahan ng kanyang titulo. Dahil dyan, umakyat ang record ni Torres sa 11 win, 8 via knockout at 4 losses. Maganda ang pinakitang laban ng Thai fighter na si Juan Pichit. May lakas ang mga kamao nito at siguradong may tulog ang tatamaan nito. Subalit, sa boxing ay hindi lamang puro lakas ang kailangan upang manalo. Ito ay kailangan ding samahan ng diskarte at talino sa laban. Dahil dyan, hindi umubra ang mga lakas ni Juan Pichit sa husay at diskarte ng ating pambato. Sa mga hindi pa po lubusang nakakakilala sa ating bida, ay maaari nyo pong panoorin ang ating video documentary kay Ador Torres na makikita ninyo sa ating video description. Maraming salamat po.